I got my 2025 330i here in Tanzanite blue, and I did a thing. Time to winterize the vehicle. So shout out to Jeff for hooking me up. We got some Super Speed RF 06 RR in satin bronze finish. This is a 19 by 9.5 plus 35 offset with a 245 4019, and I'm running a square setup. And honestly, so these came off a G87 M2. This is quite aggressive for the 330i fitment. So I was a little bit worried about the front. I wasn't worried about the rear at all, but I was worried about the front not fitting. And it actually fits perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. And now that I have a set of wheels, it'll be much easier for me to do these swaps myself. So what do you think of my winter wheel setup?